Hello guys, today I'll show you a cool thing. Like I say, if you want to make a website using WordPress, and if you want to make specially blog post in your WordPress website, and then you want also that your blog post will show or will publish automatically in your social medias like as Facebook, Twitter. Okay, so at first you need to add a cool plugin. Its name is Jetpack. Okay, so from here, add new. You need to add Jetpack by WordPress.com. Okay, I already installed and activated it. So you need to install and activated it at first, and then you need to go the setting option. Okay, I already activated it and already installed all things. So I'm just showing you. Then go to sharing tab, and by default it will not work. Okay, so you need to click on here, and here. Then just click on here, connect your social media accounts. Okay. So if you don't have any account on the WordPress.com, at first you need to make an account in the WordPress.com, and then you will see this screen. Okay, so just check connections and Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr. Okay, these 4 social medias options are available right now. I have just connected all my connections here. Facebook I already connected, and LinkedIn, Tumblr as well. Just right now I'll show you how to connect Twitter. Okay, so if I show you one social media to connect with the WordPress website, and then you can easily connect all the social medias. Okay, so you need to click on connect, and it will redirect page. Just authorize app, click on redirect to your application. Okay, uh, if you're not logged in your Twitter account, you just log in with your credentials, and then it will show you this screen. Okay, connecting Twitter, just connect here. Okay, and it's connected. Yeah, Twitter account was successfully connected. So if I show you a blog post and my old blog post, just click here. Okay, just check this here, publishes, edit. Okay, just check here is the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Thumblr. Okay, 4 social accounts are here. Okay, when I published it, it will automatically publish on my 4 social media accounts easily. As an example, if I go to the Twitter, just I published it 23 hours ago on my website from my dashboard, and it will automatically publish on my website 23 hours ago. So by this way you can do, or you can add the social medias account on your WordPress website if you want to publish blog post in the social medias as well as in your website. So I think that it will be really more profitable or more fruitful for your traffic if you show your all blog post on the social medias. Okay, so as a result you can get more traffic on your website. So I think that it will be really more fruitful for your website. So if you think that it help you more or help you a little bit, please subscribe my channel and share my blog posts on your website or on your social media. Thanks a lot.